In this video we're going to review the Glaree C1 waterproof lantern and flashlight. So here's the box, a small plastic box, and it comes with an instruction manual and also comes with 4 AAA batteries. Here's the instruction manual in English and Chinese. You can go ahead and pause it if you want to read it. Got some information here. Its weight. 4 AAA batteries is needed. In fact, it comes with one's energizer. So it is the Glaree C1 lantern. Now, I'm not sure if you pronounce it as Glaree, but I think you pronounce it as that. So we also have some information on the back of the box too. Again, if you understand these kind of symbols and stuff, just pause the video, or if you're interested in reading the diameters, just pause the video here again. So the website is www.sunre.com. This must be the company Glaree's website, but I got this from gearbest.com, and the link to buy for yourself will be down below. Or even if you want to find out more information about this, just click the link down below and there's more information such as specifications and stuff. So it also comes with this like clip, which actually comes in pretty handy because you can clip it on like your backpack, or maybe on like a door handle or something. And the mini small handle comes with a small handle on top where you can clip on. So you can tell that this thing is actually made for outdoor use, such as camping, outdoor activities. It's great. And it can also come in use if you're in a country where you get a lot of power cuts. Just use this. So twist the back. It's quite tight. Obviously it has to be waterproof tight, as it is IPX6. That's IPX6 Waterproof. So here are the 4 batteries that it came with. I didn't need to buy any batteries. They're 4 AAA batteries. And the way you put it back in is there's like a locking mechanism, so you'll realise that if it doesn't go in, you're not putting it the right way. It will simply slide in. Go ahead and pop the lid back on with the airtight seal. Make sure it is fully tightened. You do not want any water getting into that place there. So if you take off the top bit, it's like a reflection in there. So basically reflects and bounces the light all around, giving it a lantern effect. Go ahead and turn it on. It is a really bright light, I'm going to be honest with you. It is crazy how bright this thing is. It probably doesn't pick up on the camera, but it is really bright. So you got various different modes here. You got small, medium and high brightness, and if you hold it for 5 seconds, the button, you'll go into SOS mode, and there's also various different modes on there as well, so it flashes at certain times. So this is a more quicker flash. Rechargeable batteries, or like a port where you can fit in a micro USB and just recharge this thing. I guess that's nothing too much to worry about. It's waterproof, and it's a warm white LED light with 165 lumens. So here it is in the dark. what it picks up on the camera. It almost lit up the whole room. Put it into a normal flashlight mode, so it's like a normal torch instead of a lantern, and I'll show you that in a little bit. Go ahead and turn it on, show it. And test the waterproof here. So it's apparently meant to be IPX6 waterproof, which is basically outdoor stuff, splash proof. So let's go ahead and see it. Let's pour this water on here. And it's holding up pretty well actually. It's quite wet, but none of the water has got into the battery. I also opened up the back and there was no water inside at all in the battery part, and no water inside on the lantern part at all. It just got a bit of steam building up inside, but that can just be wiped off pretty easily. As you can see, it still works fine, so it is definitely waterproof, and it's definitely made for outdoor use. So go ahead and take off the top. You can see the LED light inside. It's very, very powerful LED, and you can simply use it as a normal torch or flashlight, so you don't have to use it as a lantern. I mean, this thing can come in handy when you're lost at night, or when you're going hiking, mountain climbing. All of a sudden you need a light. Just simply take it off your backpack or your pocket. You got a flashlight and a lantern. Now it only weighs around 54 grams, so it's quite lightweight. Obviously it weighs more once you put the batteries in it. Depending on the power of your battery, it will weigh different sizes. It's very nice, and it feels really quality as well. It does not feel at all like a cheap device. It's even got a bit of a grip on the top and a rubber button, which is also water sealed. So I give this an overall score of 10 out of 10. I am really amazed with this, on how cheap it is, how small but how powerful it is. It looks small, the price, and you think it's probably some cheap rubbish thing, but it's not. It is very powerful, and it can really come in handy, especially for those of you who can't. So there is the Glaree C1, and if you want to buy, the link will be down below in the description, or even find out more, just go ahead and click the link down below.